If you're wondering, is this Parkinson's or just aging? This month is for you. I'm Dr. Paskey. I'm a neurologist, and April is Parkinson's Awareness Month. This month, I'm making the series I wish every patient and caregiver had on day one. We're going step by step. How to tell normal aging from early warning signs and what that means if you don't have a tremor, or the subtle symptoms that people miss, like the loss of smell, sleep changes, and mood shifts. I'll walk you through how Parkinson's is actually diagnosed, what to expect at your first visit, and how treatment really works in plain English. We'll also talk about exercise as medicine, protecting your independence, and how to keep working, driving, and living fully. And we will end with what's coming next because there is more hope in Parkinson's than people realize. If you're living with Parkinson's or worried about it, follow this series. And in the comments, tell me your connection, your diagnosis, who you're supporting, or the question you wish had been answered sooner. This is NeuroInterpret, where we simplify neurology because understanding your condition is the first step in neurologic care.